Hey divas, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. So I got an unboxing for you guys because I just got this box today and I can't wait to share it with you guys. It is from Luxurious Hair. So they're no stranger to the House of Glam. So stay tuned because you guys are going to want to hear about this cute little gem right here. Be right back. My fabulous divas, so yes, this box is from Luxurious Hair. I did just receive it today via FedEx. It arrived today. I actually ordered this hair on Saturday, which was November the 10th. Today is November the 14th. So happy hump day to you guys. By the time you see this video, it'll probably be like Monday, or it'll be like Monday. So anyway, it is from Luxurious Hair. Like I said, they're no stranger to my channel. I do have a unit that I probably rocked for a good part of the ending part of the summer going into the fall time. You've seen me in that on my Instagram page. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you've been under the rock. You don't even know who I am. Go down to the description box and connect with all of my social media. Your girl is on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Go check me out. I'll even post a link to my new page, which is the House of Glam TV on Facebook, so you can follow me on there. So that unit I probably rocked for a good long time, and that hair, I have to say, is why I ordered hair again from Luxurious Hair. Now there's a video on my page about how I ordered a frontal from them the one time before and they messed up royally, but the hair that I got was amazing. And I'm not even sure if this is the actual hair that I got in from Luxurious that one time, but nonetheless the hair was awesome, but they messed up on the frontal, so I was very upset and I didn't want to order from them again. Anyway, they were the only company that when I ordered the hair that I had in before, that had a 13x6 frontal and a bundle deal, really reasonable for the price. I tried them out again and they satisfied me to the fullest. Like, the hair that I have is absolutely amazing. It's actually right here next to me. So it's a little bit of a mess because I do have to wash it out again. But this is the hair. This is in its natural color. It is 3 bundles and a 13x6 frontal. I have in 24, 22, and a 20-inch bundle with, I believe it's either an 18 or a 20-inch frontal. I constructed this unit myself, and I have to say I absolutely love this hair. Like, I wore this hair to the gym. I wore this hair just about everywhere. I had it glued down with Ghost Bond. Then I tried Bold Hold. And that's a whole nother video on those glues. I'll come back and talk to you guys about those. But I absolutely love this hair. So it led me to order this hair during their 11/11 sale. So this is the first time I actually got their package, my package in the actual box, in the FedEx package. So kudos to you guys, Luxurious Hair, because this presentation is absolutely awesome. I love how you guys sent it out. It is a lace front body wave wig in a 1. It is 24 inches. In the box came a pack of 2 wig caps in the pack in black. Trust me, I'll get used out of these. I go through wig caps like you wouldn't believe. A letter of thanks from the company, which I like. It's so much better than the original letter they sent me the one time, and it was like printed, typed up, printed on a piece of little paper and cut. But this is really nice, the presentation. And then it has their little booklet, which is really nice, showing the different types of hair. You get a little bit about them, the different types of hair that they have, closures, bundles, frontals, you name it. And on the back of it has a lot more about their sales team, their service, their factory, their guarantee, and of course how to contact them. You actually can contact them through WhatsApp. They do have an email, and of course their AliExpress store, and if you scan the QR code at the bottom, it should take them right to their store. So this is the hair. This came in this pack. On the front is the deets to the hair, the type of hair that I got, and like I said, it's a lace front body wave wig, 24 inches, and a 1. So I meant to switch this out and get a 1B because I plan on coloring this hair, and now that it's coming to 1, I'm like hesitant because everybody loves me in dark hair, but I want some color. So it's either I'm going to color this one or color the other one, but I ordered this one to wear for the holidays because it's like no muss, no fuss, and I can give the other one a break. Of course, it comes in the netting, which I've already taken off because I had to play in the hair, and then this little piece of paper in there. Got it hooked onto the hook. So, like I said, the specs of the hair, it is just a 24-inch unit. It is not as full as, of course, making my unit, because their bundles were actually really full bundles. The lace is not as big as what I have on my other one, so this is probably about a 13 by 4 inch, what would be like a frontal, so the parting space is not that huge. It does come with 3 combs here in the front and then 1 in the back, and of course the adjustable strap with some lace at the back, and this is a body wave. The hair doesn't have a smell to it. It actually smells decent. There is some baby hairs, of course, in the front, but I'm gonna have to bleach the knots on this hair and of course give it a cold wash, but I'm gonna color it, so I'm probably not gonna wash it before I color it. So I don't have any complaints. This seller is actually really great. The communication is great. The amount of time that it took for me to get, like I said, I ordered it on Saturday because the sale started a little bit earlier than 11/11, and it actually got extended by 2 days, I think, and if I go on, it's probably still up. But this came really quickly. They let me know Sunday that they shipped out my hair, and of course it got here to the US and at my front door on today, which is the 14th. So happy hump day to y'all. Anyway, divas, that's all I have for you guys with this unboxing. I will come back later on with a review after I've probably worn it for about a month or 2, and let you guys know how I feel about the hair. If you want to know anything about it, hit me up down below or comment on my Instagram, because I'll be posting pictures of me in it the whole time I'm going to be rocking it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and welcome to the House of Glam TV. You guys don't want to miss out anything, so make sure you hit those notifications. This way you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is normally Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I've been a little bit busy, so I know you guys are missing me, but I'm trying to get stuff to you guys, so just bear with me. To my oldie but goodie dolls, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the description box, and I'll be happy to get with you guys. And I appreciate all the comments that you guys share with me. So, till the next time, my fabulous divas, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay fab, because you know your girl is too. I'll check y'all in my next one. Bye.